We're out of here. Waved by the hardworking skipper on the dock. See you later, skippers. See you later. Bye. Okay, everyone, it's time to roll the windows down and cruise. My name is Skipper Mikey, and for your safety, we'd like to ask you all to please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat, and supervise your children. I'll have you know your skipper's a master of the mystical arts. Well, friends, over here on the starboard side, you may notice our first sign of danger. I'll tell you, as soon as I saw that sign, it opened up my eyes, and I can see clearly now that the rain is gone. But no worries, fam. Danger's my middle name. Okay, everyone, now over here on the port side, you will see a pretty sweet looking snake statue. And it looked like a regular snake from up close, right? But from your far, I'm not sure. Anyways, explorers and sea experts at the Jungle Navigation Company that tell me that this river right here is completely full of alligators. But the honest truth is that's a croc. Yep, so many crocodiles here. I like to call this spot the croc pot. And thought I saw a snake dangling off the back of the boat, but I'm on the front, so I'm not too concerned about you guys. Didn't think so. Alright, friends, well, we just made it through the Irrawaddy River, and up ahead we have the sacred elephant bathing pool. Yep, you'll be thankful to hear that they all have their trunks on. I know it's super awkward when they joke, but it's even worse when I don't. Oh, here we have Bertha. Bertha showered too long, so she turned into an elephant. A problem I don't have for the obvious reason. I don't shower. Speaking of showers, we got our buddy Squirt here today. Friends, you might want to cover your hair, cover your ears, and cover your beard. Duck, duck, duck. Uh-oh. He's shy. That happens sometimes. Well, friends, we're headed to the Ganges River. Whoa! Here comes the boom. Ready or not. Doesn't sound like you guys are too blown away. Over here we have the Beastie Boys. What's up, my guys? Alright, my friends, so the big one on the box right there is Mando, and guess what? Who's on up? The child. That's right, my friends, and if we're looking for the Congo River, this is the way. Uh-oh. I see another gorilla here. Huh. Wonder if he can take on 100 men. And what's he reaching for? Oh, it's bananas. That's right, B. Thank you, Cap. Anybody want to go left or Schweitzer? Never mind. Let's not say we did. Whoa, close one. You know, honestly, Pam, I learned the hard way. Don't go chasing water balls. Yep, I know it looks sublime, but it was the wrong way. Alright, friends, well, we did just enter the Nile River. If you don't believe that, you are in Nile. Here we have African elephants. Friends, these African elephants can eat up to 400 pounds of food a day. Woo! But I could eat up to 600 right before bed. Alright, explorers, if you haven't looked at the bushes over here on the port side ever, you won't see anything at all. Just heads up. Alright, well, we just made it to the beautiful African Veldt. Up ahead, you'll see some striped horses, unicorns, and 2 horns. And does anybody know what the tall ones are in the back? Those are actually giraffes. Yeah, giraffes too, though. Good call. Anyways, friends, over here you'll see Skipper Felix. You know, I sent Skipper Felix over here earlier to count the stones, and I bet he comes back and says there's infinity stones out there. Luckily for us, I'm not afraid of rhinos, and I'm actually not afraid of anything. Oh, deer. Random, right? Well, friends, in case you were worried about the lions escaping the jungle, don't be, because in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Thank you, fam, and thank you all for coming to the world famous jungle cruise. We did just make it to the hippo pool. I'm hoping we can make it out. Uh-oh, looks like the hippos might attack the boat, my friends. Hopefully you're all here for the gun show. All I brought was the big guns today. Here we go. Alright, cut your ears, everybody. Here we go. Great shot, right? Hopefully that bird's okay. I'm kidding. They're duds. Just like my jokes. And see, my jokes are duds, and it's all because This is how we do it. Check out these guys. Just like bees in the trap, huh? They're definitely not like us. I'll tell you what, any more accidents, it will cool. We might have to call it. Pretty cool. I don't know if you saw the plan with all the teams, but don't be concerned, man. I've seen stranger things. Well, friends, over here on the left, you're going to see Tim. I call him the tool man. Taylor is normally on the right. She's shy, but she's really swift with her net. Yep, and they're both so cute. They give me butterflies, but butterflies aren't what they used to be. Piano fillers. Our friends, the eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water. Woo-hoo. Thank you, Sam. I'm losing my voice. Just like my mind. Ahead on the left here. Now, my friends, I heard something coming from this rock. It sounded like here I am. Hope it doesn't rock you like a hurricane. And we did just enter the piranha pool. If anybody's got any gummy worms, now would be a sweet time to hook them up. For me, not the fish. And would you look at that? There's a little cow over there missing his bell. But friends, no need to worry. I'm going to tell the office I need more cowbell. Well, friends, up ahead we've got Trader Sam's gift shop. They've got the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities, and rock the mama. Is that a wagon wheel? Oh, steering wheel. Never mind. Alright, my friends, thanks for hanging on tight. Tell you what, I was planning on having 3 dates later, and I know that sounds wild at first, but 3 dates a day is really good for digestion. Alright, friends, looks like we can pull on ahead. Do me a favor, say goodbye to my jungle buds. We've got Monkey Bunch and the Monkey Bunch. We've said goodbye too many times before. Okay, everyone, for your safety, we'd like to ask you all to please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat, and supervise your children. If you had a magical adventure today, my name is Skipper Mikey. If you didn't, I'll still be Skipper Mikey. Hoping I was a funny skip today, but in the end, doesn't even matter. You know what, friends? I actually couldn't wait to tell you all that I made it to the gym today before I came to work. That's right, forgot I had an orange in my pocket, but don't worry, fam. Still crushed it. And of all things, had a slice of cheese in the other pocket, so I finished my workout, right? I pulled this thing out, and guess what? It was absolutely shredded. Was actually leaving the gym, and I was looking for my car. Thought I got jacked, but I find my car, right? I open up my car door, and it hits my arm. I thought it was broken. It was just swole. Turns out I ripped my t-shirt too, looked down at my abs, and they were cut. It's okay, I checked the stock report, as expected. Nothing but gains. Ended up getting egged by a bunch of kids on the way to work too. Was fully yoked after that. Friends, keep your elbows and arms inside the boat for us. Thank you all for coming to the Jungle Cruise. You know, I had a delicious snack a minute ago. It was spinach, tomato, onions, grilled chicken hummus on a tortilla. And guess what, fam? That's a wrap. Thanks for coming. Watch your head, watch your step. Use the handrails. If you're on the jungle side, friends, please go around the engine. If you're wondering how to say a river in French, I believe it's au revoir. I could be wrong, my friends. Watch your step.